Welcome to the beginning of a transformative journey into the world of yoga. In the next 100 seconds, we'll gently introduce you to the beauty of yoga step by step. Find a serene spot on your mat where you can truly connect with yourself. Begin by centering your focus on your breath, feeling the rhythm of life flow through you. As you inhale deeply, let go of any tension and embrace the tranquility within. Follow each pose with a calm spirit, allowing your body to move gracefully. Let this short session be a peaceful interlude in your day, renewing your energy. Feel the flow of clarity and calmness washing over your mind. Each breath guides you closer to a state of inner peace and serenity. By connecting mind and body, you lay the foundation for a strong yoga practice. This harmonious journey is designed to nurture your well-being from within. Every gentle movement brings a sense of balance and alignment. Explore the potential within as you dive deeper into your yoga journey. With each pose, cultivate strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Embrace this moment of tranquility as a gift you give to yourself. Let go of distractions and be fully present in the now. By practicing regularly, you build resilience both physically and mentally. May this practice inspire you to approach life with openness and grace. As you finish this session, carry this sense of calm into the rest of your day. Namaste, and may your yoga journey be rich with peace and joy. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest yoga practices. You'll be notified whenever we upload a new video, so you won't miss out on our upcoming sessions. Please give the video a thumbs up. Liking the video helps other yoga enthusiasts find our channel and join our community. Share your thoughts, feedback, or any questions you may have in the comments section below. I love hearing from you.